Hi everyone, welcome to writing equations in slope-intercept form. This is perhaps the most basic way we can do it. We're going to learn a couple different ways to do it. And here would be if you were given the slope and the y-intercept of an equation, how you would write it in slope-intercept form. So right up here we have written slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Know it, love it, make it be your best friend. We're going to use it all the time. And remember that these x and y's, that these variables at the end of the alphabet, when we see variables at the end of the alphabet, that means that they're going to stay variables in our answer. When we write our answer, that there's going to be a y right there, there's going to be an x right there, but these letters towards the beginning, m and b, those are going to become numbers. So when we have our answer, it's going to look like y equals some number x plus another number. All right? M is slope. We can think of like a mountain, slope of a mountain for M, and B is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where a line crosses the y-axis, okay? All we do here is we just plug it right in, okay? So you can start off just by writing the thing that is going to be in every single one of these, no matter what, okay? And that's the stuff that I said does not change. So no matter what, we're going to have y equals something, that M there, we're not going to put anything yet, but a big space, leave a big space there, x plus something else, okay? And down here we can do the same thing. Y equals a big space, x plus something else, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually just fill in what those something else's are, okay? So here we have in number 1, and we're going to do 2 examples just to look at how the negatives affect things. So for this first one, our slope is 4, right? So all we do is we're going to take this 4 and we're just going to put it exactly where that m would be in the equation. It just goes right here, right next to that x. So we get y equals 4x plus, and here we have a negative 2, so we're going to have plus negative 2. Now we can write this, you can write it just like that, that's just fine. Or remember that we can just kind of simplify it a little bit and turn that plus negative into a minus. So we would have y equals 4x minus 2. Either one of these are just fine. It's good to recognize this though, because when we're given equations, we're much more likely to see this than to see that, all right? That's it for the first one. We're done. There's nothing else that we have to do. We don't have to add, subtract, multiply, divide. This is it, all right? So let's do it for the second one. Same exact thing. Here, this is where the slope goes because that's the m. Our slope is negative 3, so we just put a negative 3 right there by our x, plus our y-intercept this time is positive 5, so we just have a plus 5, and that's it. There's nothing more simple that we could do. Our answer is y equals negative 3x plus 5, and that's it.